Hi students, this tutorial will show you how to access scholarly articles related to education using the Austin Peay Online Library. From our website, click the magnifying glass and go to A to Z Index. Click the L and select Library. Next, hover over Search and Find and select Article Databases. Click E and then Education Full Text. You will need to log in to the library using your Austin Peay credentials. I'm already logged in, so it took me to the search page. Here's where you can enter keywords. For example, if you're looking for articles about classroom management, enter those keywords. If you want to further narrow it down, you might also include additional keywords, such as high school. Scroll down to search options and click full text and scholarly peer-reviewed journals. You can also narrow it down to articles published within the last few years. Now click search. If you click on a title, the article will open up in this window. If you click on PDF full text, the article will open up as a PDF. If you click over here on Google Drive, the article will save to your Google Drive. You'll just have to link your account. So that's a nice feature. And then you could also get help citing the article by clicking Cite over here and choosing, where is it? Here it is, by clicking Cite and then choosing which bibliographic management software that you would prefer to use. Alright, I hope that this tutorial was useful to you as you search for scholarly articles related to education using the Austin Peay Online Library.